Well, my friends, I think it's December 2nd, and it is cold. It was minus 28 last night on the Celsius, but there's a terrible wind chill today. I don't know how cold it'd be with the wind chill, but I know that wind is strong enough, cold enough to freeze the nuts off a steel bridge, so it is cold. Anyways, I'm out here in one of our fields. There's a slough here, and a couple days ago my brother said that he saw ravens in the slough, and there's a dead deer laying out there. I'm not sure if coyotes killed it or the road's not too far away. Maybe someone hit it on the road and it ran in here and died, or what the deal was with it. But I came out and I set 3 power rams here on some trails, and it looks like we made a catch. So let's go take a look at it. I know I'm not going to have the phone out very long here to film because I think it's going to freeze up if I do. But there was a good trail that they had coming in there. So I put a ram on it and we got ourselves a dog here. So he got wrapped up a little bit. And here's the trail they were coming in on. Oh, looks like a good dog, guys. And there's where I had the snare, right off of there. But anyways, there's the coyote, guys. I imagine he's stiff. But yeah, he's got good looking fur on him. So I will get him out of here. That'll be another one. I think it's supposed to warm up here a little bit in a couple days, so hopefully we can pick up some more. Stay tuned, folks. Well, here we are. It's the next day. It's warmed up quite a few degrees, but there's still a cold, wicked wind. And we caught ourselves another dog on the same trail as the one yesterday. I imagine this trail's pretty much goofed now. Yesterday I caught the coyote just back in here on this trail, and he made quite a mess. So I thought, well, I'll just move the power ram out to the beginning of the trail, and we picked up another one. This actually looks like a nicer dog than the one yesterday. A smaller dog, but it looks like it's got some nicer fur here. This is one of the things I don't like about these power rams. Especially these power rams, if you put them in where the trees are too thick. Look at this ram, didn't get a chance to do its job. He got caught, and he went and wrapped around there right away. And then he went and wrapped around here, and I mean that was his undoing. Because when he wrapped around there, he just hung himself, but didn't actually make much of a mess here at all. So it must have been fairly quick. But this is a good looking little dog. Really nice, beautiful light colored one. So I am happy with that. You know, if I use a free hanger snare, I like it when they get wrapped up like that, because the lock just pulls up tight around their neck, and with these power rams, the power ram is the lock. So yeah, but like I said, it looks like it was over pretty quick, so that's the main thing. So I'm going to get them out of here, guys. We'll see what the day brings from here. Well, I'm on the west end of the lake here, and since I was here last check, there's been an otter, maybe more than one, doing quite a bit of work around here. Looking for a spot to get under the ice, I guess. Yeah, he dug there, but he didn't get under there. I'm not really after otter because the price really went out of them here a few years ago, and they used to be good money. I remember getting $150 for otter. There he dug around. I wonder if he got under anywhere here. I imagine he did. Possibly there. Oh well. Looks like he may be carried on his way, and that's fine with me. Alright guys, I'm going to keep checking. Ooh, that wind is picking up and getting colder. Alright guys, I just came across from there, from that beaver house where the otter was, on that side of the lake. This little nook here, probably about a week ago or so, I threw a power ram in here because the coyotes were using a trail, and I see we made a catch here, guys. So let's go take a look at him. Every year them coyotes kind of have a trail here. They come along the lake or come across here and they angle into the trees. So we caught ourselves a dog. Another really nice dog, guys. You know, that last one I caught, the last one I think was probably the nicest dog I've caught this year. But this is really a nice dog too. Look at that. Beautiful. What a beautiful dog. Well, that's good. It's been a decent run so far. And got a few more sets to check yet, so I'm going to carry on. Well, I'm over here where I got the bait. I just want to show you guys the way these coyotes are around here. This is why I never walk on a coyote trail. Look at there. Coyotes come trotting up there, up to my tracks. They just stopped, turned around, and went back. I don't know, I watched some of these videos and these guys are walking right on the coyote trails and it seems to work for them. I don't know. But these coyotes up here are a different story. Look at here again. Look at there. Here's my track. There a coyote came in, stopped, turned around and went back. So yeah, these northern coyotes, they're must be a lot cagier than some of these other ones. I don't know, because if I walk on a coyote trail, there's no point in me even putting a snare on it because they will not use it. Just thought I'd show you guys that. Well, I'm back at the ranch, folks. Well, that's the kind of run it's been. One good big dog yesterday and two really nice dogs today. It's especially this one. This one is just such a nice light color. Beautiful dog. These last two, these two today are both really good dogs. So anyways, I want to thank you all for watching. And we will see you down the trail.